That was the Thembinkosi Lorch we knew at Orlando Pirates back in the days. A hot Locho, the Nyoso, the Locho Pasagamnan, the threatening Lodge, the Lodge who has good passing game, who moves into spaces, who creates chances, and he had some half chances there and 3 shots at goal. I think it was very, very impressive. But towards the end of the game, I think from 70th minute, he was a little bit tired. I was hoping that they were going to take him a little bit early. But I think the coach maybe didn't want to demoralize him. But I think on the 70th minute, they should have took him off. He ran his socks off in the first half. He was very, very good, very impressive. Everything that he did was good. He was intentional. You saw that this is Thembinkosi Lorch who wants to give it all on the game. So congratulations to Thembinkosi Lorch. Mailula,